What's up guys, Cooking with Fed back again with another video, and today's video we will be doing some chocolate chip toffee cookies. Yeah, I know. So we're going to first start off by making the toffee, which includes 1 stick of butter and a cup of brown sugar. And as you can see, I'm bringing the butter in now. And we're going to slowly melt those two together, get them incorporated, with the end result creating a beautiful toffee for the cookies. So let's get into it. I will then add the cup of brown sugar to the butter and make sure you continue to stir so that way everything doesn't separate in the end. After a bit, the toffee starts to heat up and it's starting to bubble a little bit more. Notice I'm still constantly stirring and stirring to make sure that the toffee is moving and getting around, because without the stirring, the toffee could separate and possibly mess up in the end. You're gonna stir for probably a few more minutes or so. The toffee should be a more golden brown color and bubbling a bit more, and this is around the time where you should be taking it off the heat and transferring it to a parchment paper lined baking sheet. This is going to help cut that cooling process in half while also making it easier to break up in the end. Wifey coming in with the assist. Thanks, wifey. Now we're going to pour all of the toffee on this parchment paper lined baking sheet and spread it out evenly so that way it can cool evenly and faster. Once complete, we're going to throw this in the freezer for about 10 to 15 minutes or until chilled. Now let's move on to the brown butter. Okay guys, for the brown butter we're going to be using 2 sticks of butter, but for me I had half sticks, so that would be 4 sticks. And we're going to throw that in the pan and just slowly and cautiously melt the butter and get it to a rich brown color and a sort of nutty aroma, which smells amazing. As you can see everyone, the butter has melted and the milk solids have sunk down to the bottom, and in a bit you will see that they start to brown up a little bit, and also the butter gets browner as well, giving us that nice brown butter look and smell. We're now going to take the brown butter off the heat, and we're going to grab a few ice cubes to help the cooling process speed up a bit. We're going to slowly drop the ice cubes in and just stir them around. You may get a few cracks and pops from the water, but everything should be fine. And the ice, like I said, is going to help cool everything down, so that way we can take it over and pour it into the mixture for the cookies. Now on to the fun part of the cookies, the mixing. We're going to add the 1.5 cups of dark brown sugar packed into the cup. Also adding the 1/2 cup of regular sugar, as well as the butter on top of that. And once added, we're going to mix everything to combine. Now we're going to go ahead and grab 2 eggs, and we're going to throw those in as well. Watch the one hand cracks. Oh yeah, you see me, you see me. Another one. Yep, there we go. Alright. And now we're going to go ahead and grab the vanilla extract, and we're going to put probably 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract in there, but we just go ahead and gonna dash it in there ourselves. The ancestor said that was plenty right there. And now we're going to mix that up until everything is completely combined. Once combined, you should have this consistency of the batter. Should be a little bit runny, not too runny, but a little bit. And now we're going to go ahead and grab the espresso, and we're going to throw that in there. And then we're going to also grab the kosher salt, and we're going to throw that in there as well, mixing everything completely. Now we're going to go ahead and grab the flour and also the baking soda, and we're going to throw those in there and mix those in completely as well. Notice I go in, I guess I would say, increments with the flour, so that way things don't get messy. Now we're going to go and get the toffee from the freezer, and we're going to throw it in a Ziploc bag so that way we can break it up and crumble it. And the crumbles don't have to be too small, but they also don't need to be too big as well, like so. And then we're going to take our 72 or whatever percent cacao that you can get, preferably more than 70% of cacao, and we're gonna chop that up to your desired liking or size. I kind of went with the smaller cube size for us. And then you're gonna throw everything together and mix to combined, like so. Next, you're gonna scoop the cookies to your desired size onto a parchment paper lined sheet pan, and we're gonna chill them for 24 hours, wrapped up with plastic wrap. What's up, everyone? It's the next day and we are back ready to make these beautiful cookies. We're going to get a parchment lined pan, and we're going to space out the cookies, cook as many as you want, whatever your heart desires, and we're going to bake these at 300 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. These cookies, y'all, came out beautiful. Oh my gosh. I'm talking about gooey on the inside and crunchy on the outside. Whenever you make these, just keep in mind, try not to eat them all at once. Oh yeah, let's get this final cross section real quick. Look at this. Enjoy.